Hello dear online viewers, I hope you all are doing very fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. So in front of me this is Alamgir Kabir, student of Jatiyo Kavi Kazi Nazrul Islam University. So today in this special live video, I would like to share with you very special words and sentences that really help you to speak English. So don't forget and don't miss the video. Okay, first of all, we will learn would rather and had better. What's the difference between two words, would rather and had better? So first we will see the word would rather. I would rather bake. I would rather strip than bake. I would rather speak than stop. I would rather cook than go to outside. I would rather, what should I say? You can make more sentence. And now we are going to see another sentence, had better. I had better speak English. You had better speak English. What's the difference in the Bengali and English meaning? Would rather বরং ভালো দুইটা বস্তু ব্যক্তির মধ্যে একটা তুলনা বোঝায়, যেমন I would rather strip than beg, আমার ভিক্ষা করার চেয়ে না খায় থাকা ভালো। এবং had better কখন ইউজ হবে, যেমন I had better speak English, আমার বরং ইংরেজিতে কথা বলা উচিত। এখানে কোনো কম্পেয়ার বোঝাচ্ছে না, যখন কম্পেয়ার বোঝাবে দেন ইউজ হবে, সেই জায়গায় আমরা would rather ইউজ করতে পারবো। So lovely viewers, thank you for watching the video. Inshallah, I will meet you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.